Good evening, everybody. A very good evening to all of you, and welcome to Creatrix YouTube channel, my dear students. We are here with another MTech guidance video, and this time the college that I have chosen is not a IIT but one of the best NITs, that is NIT Trichy. Okay, so I will be telling you all the details like cutoffs, branches, placement in NIT Trichy so that you can make an informed decision if you wish to pursue MTech from this college. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Let me first start by introducing myself because many of you might be seeing me for the first time. My name is Ankit Goyal. I got AIR1 twice in GATE in 2014 and 2018. I was awarded President of India Gold Medal when I graduated from IIT. Till date, I have trained more than 1 lakh students in the online and the offline classes, and currently I am working as a director at an academy for GATE department. Now, many students know already all of this about me, but what I wish to convey to each and every student out there, that these credentials are fine, but the main thing that matters is the intention that this entire channel, this entire team carries, and that intention is to enable our students to get best of the best quality education for free and to become the technocrats of the future to take this country forward. We don't want to charge you anything if you can't afford, because education is a basic human right and we are enabling you to get free education via our YouTube channel. But don't think even for a minute that this free initiative is restricted to YouTube, because they are also available on the Unacademy Learning app, which is free of cost. So you can download that app and then you can enjoy any free initiative by unlocking it using the code AnkitESE. Now, my friend, if you wish to watch my classes on Unacademy app, you can visit this link. Here you will get all my free classes on Unacademy app. If you wish to attend them live, then go to the upcoming special classes section. And if you wish to watch the classes that I have taken in the past, then you will find some of the most interesting series in this list, and you can attend them, you can enjoy them, and you can benefit from them. Now, let's start with the NIT Trichy. Let's understand what it has to offer. So what about the electrical department of NIT Trichy? You can see one of the pics of NIT Trichy I have pasted here. So you can see the campus is quite beautiful and it is one of the most established NITs. Okay, so postgraduate program MTech in Power System and Power Electronics. It offers research program like MS and PhD in various fields of electrical and electronics. Now, when this institute was given a status of NIT, it has grown not only in terms of student and faculty, but also it has improved the laboratory facility for teaching and research. So, it was not always a NIT, but the colleges that offer excellent education, they are generally given the status of NIT or IIT, and they get funds from the government to develop their infrastructure to provide even better quality education to the students. And once that has happened, this college has grown in terms of resources, in terms of strength of student, in terms of strength of faculty and the laboratory equipment. Now, what are the research areas? Power electronics optimization techniques. Okay. Power controller for industrial drives, power system and renewable energy application. Autonomous power plant, nano grid and smart grid, substation automation, wide area protection, residential demand response, smart metering, wireless power transfer, electric vehicle. Electric vehicle is one of the most trendy topics, because you know who works about electric vehicle, the one of the most famous industry called as the Tesla motor, Elon Musk. Okay, so guys, this is the exterior of the campus and you can see how great this campus looks like. So you can always understand what kind of college life you are going to get once you get into NIT Trichy. Now, what about electronics and communication department? The department offers UG, PG, MS and PhD program with the knowledge and the tools they need to succeed in electronics and communication. Now, the research focuses on communication system, wireless network, signal and image processing, RF, MEMS and MIC, microwave antenna, optical communication, photonics and VLSI technology. Now see, this is one of the most famous field, as I have told, signal processing, for everybody from whichever college you choose. This is one of the most trendy fields as of now for higher studies. VLSI design, wireless communication and optical communication, VLSI circuit design, on-chip and off-chip antenna design, biomedical signal processing, the field of the future, because this is something that is needed the most in this country. Right now we are suffering from a health crisis. So if anybody can develop any equipment that can help us stay more healthy, that can help us stay fit, that would come under biomedical signal processing. And believe me, my friend, this is the most trendy field. Embedded VLSI design, carbon nanotube antenna, flexible electronics. So these are the fields that research areas that NIT Trichy has to offer in electronics and communication. How about the placements? Let's see about the placements, guys. So MTech placement, see, the graph has constantly been increasing. This is the percentage of the students placed. So more than 90% students have been placed in 2018-2019 session, and as the college grows, this statistics is only going to improve. So you can rest assured about the placement, because this is the official statistic. More than 90% students have been placed so far. What are the top recruiters? You can see some of the most famous faces here: Samsung, Reliance, Microsoft, Visa, HSBC, JP Morgan, PayPal, Dell, Infosys, Oracle, Maruti Suzuki, Philips, and Lincoln Electric. So see how great companies have visited this campus and recruited the students of this campus. So no need to worry about the placement. What are the cutoffs? For VLSI system, in 2018 the cutoff was 772, 2019 857, 2020 795. So what I would say, a safe score would be 800. If you get a score of around 800, you can safely get the VLSI system in this college. For communication, you can understand that the score would somewhere be near to 750. So you can say somewhere between 700 and 750, you are safe to get communication department in NIT Trichy. What about power system? Again, the similar kind of statistics is there, somewhere between 650 to 725. You can easily get the power systems course in NIT Trichy. Then the power electronics. In power electronics, the score is a bit higher. So you can say 700 to 750 would be a safe score to get power electronics department. Okay, so that is all the things that I have to tell you about this college, NIT Trichy. And my dear friends, we have also started a practice series for you all for GATE 2022, that is Master Blaster Practice Series. Here you will get 10,000 practice questions before the GATE exam. So if you practice all these questions, definitely each and every question in the GATE exam will seem like a cakewalk to you. You will easily go through it. You don't need to worry about anything. And my friend, you can become a member of Unacademy Plus, where you get all the top educators teaching live on a single platform. Educators like Kezer Hafiz sir, Ajay Gupta sir, Vishal Soni sir, Saket Verma sir, Siddharth Sabharwal sir. All the top educators are there on a single platform, providing you classes, and not only classes, you get daily homework, you get weekly test series, question bank, and you also get doubt clearing. And you get all the batches for GATE, Engineering Services, PSU and State PSC under just one subscription. But if you wish to fly higher, go with Iconic. In Iconic, all these benefits are included, along with a personal coach who will guide you, motivate you, and create a study planner for you. Even teachers will take regular session, the top educators, in order to solve all your queries related to your preparation. You will get separate test analysis telling your strengths and weakness subject by subject, section by section. You will get extra study material, and a team will be appointed for you to solve your doubts immediately. Now, if it sounds interesting to you, don't hesitate. Join now. Use the code AnkitESE to get an immediate 10% discount and come under my personal guidance so that we together can take this journey. Let's crack it. Other than that, my friend, this is the latest batch that has been started, so don't miss the journey. Join this journey now, become a part of this journey. Use code AnkitESE, because right now I am teaching measurement at 7:30 AM daily in the morning. So you can become a part of this journey with me, and let's clear all the concepts in a great manner, in a wonderful manner. Okay. Other than that, my friend, if you use the code Ankit ESE, your 1 year fees would be 27 to 25, 18 months 34,650 and 2 years 39,600. Go with 2 years, beta, your per month fees will become minimized and you can pay this in installment, 12 equal installment without any interest, and you can even pay it via debit card. The installments are also available on debit card. In Iconic, your 1 year fees would be 45 to 25 and 2 year would be 66,600. Again, beta, go with 2 years. Per month fees will be minimum and you can pay it in installments. So you can also follow me on Unacademy Learning app. Here you can send me messages, chat with me. And my friend, this is my Telegram channel where you can stay connected to me and you get to know about all my upcoming initiatives, all my upcoming videos, and you never miss a single live class. So thank you everyone. Make sure that you hit that like button and share this video with all your friends so that they can also know about NIT Trichy, and don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and hit that bell icon to get notified about any new video. So see you all. Till then, keep rocking. Let's crack it.